Hi girl getters, welcome to another machine video. I know it's been long, right? You all really do love machine videos, and I love that as well because those machines will actually enable us embark on more production in Africa, making available a lot of made in Africa products, thereby speeding up the industrialization of Africa as a whole, which is what I preach on the channel. So I am glad today to bring forth to you new machines that are worth exploiting, and that if you actually delay, you are going to be missing out a lot. For now, a lot of people constantly call us all the time to buy machines, or at times to just even get the information and see how they could prepare towards getting their machines and embarking on production. So you, my goal getter who is watching this video and you haven't decided on what to do, I don't know what your problem is, for on this channel we've covered a lot of machines already. So if you're new and you want to catch up, please do well to go to our playlist and click on the option production machines, and you are going to be embarrassed with the amount of options you've got available for you. So do well to like this video already, and if at the end of it you find value, please do well to share with as many people as possible. My name is Elvin, and you're watching Africa Today. Now, the first machine I am going to be talking about, which is quite popular already and trending, is the floor laying machine. This machine to me is a game changer, goal getters. It is actually one of the best ways to make your flooring right now. Now, if you're into constructions, this machine is a must-have for you nowadays. For everyone now loves to innovate when it comes to how they want their home to look like. So there's no way you can be involved in construction and not have this floor laying machine at your disposal. And mark you, goal getters, this is something that you can actually put for lease or rent. That is to say, you can buy as many as possible and let people know that they can rent this machine from you, and that's how you're going to be making money. You know, here in Africa, a lot of people love to use things, and at times they don't want to spend on it because maybe it's a one-time use or so, or maybe they don't really have the money to buy or the facility to get it. So if you've got the facility and the money to get it, this is an opportunity that you can tap from. Get this machine and rent them out to those who need them. Now, next on, I am going to be talking about something that is disposable and quite brand new, all right? We all are used to things like disposable cups, disposable plates, disposable spoons and forks, disposable tissues, and whatever you could think of. But do you know that nowadays you can actually get disposable shoes? Yeah, I am talking here of disposable slippers. Yeah, so now there are slippers that you could wear just once and dispose of them, and it is quite trending. I love the idea as well. I would love to have such slippers that I could use for a certain purpose and dispose of them with no strings attached. Now, people are going crazy over these slippers because not only they are budget friendly, but they are equally eco-friendly. Now, they've got two types: the open toe option and the closed toe option that you could choose from according to your convenience. Now, talking about the most suitable places for these slippers, we would obviously think of hotels, right? But do you know that you could even use it at home, all right? You could get these slippers available for guests in your home. You could get it available for your occasions. Let's say things like bridal shower. You could get that available for your best girls to feel free in them just for that night, all right? And you could also use these slippers for travel, all right? Let's say you're traveling to go somewhere. You don't maybe want to stress with cumbersome slippers, or maybe reach there and start stressing for slippers. You get your disposable slippers and travel with, for they are very easy to pack. They don't take any space. They could be very, very flat that you could insert in even a big purse or something, and you are good to go. So it is actually something that I would love to use. What about you, go-getter? Let me know in the comment section if this makes sense to you. Now, go-getters, let's go on to talk about protection. Yes. So our next point will be the metal picket fence production machine. If you don't know, picket fences are the most used nowadays, and especially in Africa. Gone are those days where people will put those fences that will cover not only the whole yard and even more than half of the building. People love the picket fence nowadays because you could easily see through, and it is said to be one of the safest fences to have, for it actually serves as a deterrent to thieves. Thieves don't feel comfortable penetrating in a compound that has a picket fence because they could be seen by everyone, passerbys or whosoever, so it isn't really safe for them. So it is one of the safest fences to have, and that's why people are crazy over picket fences in Africa. So people really love it because it actually blends the need of protecting your compound and your kids at the same time. Most parents would love to protect their kids from going out of the compound, which is quite the main reason for a fence. So if you can actually invest in this machine and produce those picket fences, you are going to be making a lot of money. Now, this machine comes with a laser cutting, alright? Because most picket fences nowadays are easily designed with the laser system. Next on, let's continue with something real estate related, which is the compression spring making machine. Yes. Sitting right now in your living room or your bedroom and watching me, you've probably got blind holders, right? This machine is that machine used for the production of those blind holders. It is also used for furniture manufacturing, it is used for fishing, and it is also used in the automobile industry. So you can see for yourself that there are a lot of needs that you could cover with this machine. So if you're smart, you definitely know what to do. That leads us to the next on our list, which is the laser welding machine. This machine is that machine that is used to fuse two materials together using an intense laser. It is mostly used in the jewelry, manufacturing, and automotive industries, just to name a few. And you know, welding is one of those businesses that is not new, right? But it keeps being innovated as the time goes by. So this is something that you would love to invest in if you want to actually rush and be ahead of most competitors. On to the next, we are going to be talking about the metal chip briquetting machine. Now, this machine shreds and compacts aluminum. It actually does the milling, the turning, and the punching of the metal. Now, this machine can press metal chips, aluminum chips, steel, cast iron, copper, and even copper chips to block. Now, this process uses metal dust and separates them to finally compress them and reduce the volume and form metal briquettes. Now, this machine is very important for, transporting metal is something that is very tedious and it takes a lot of space. So if you're someone who uses a lot of metal for whatever you do, this machine is definitely for you. So this is also something that you can buy and sell to people out there in order for you to make some good money for yourself. Now, on to the next go-getters. Let's talk about intelligent mirrors. You've probably got one in your bathroom, or even if you don't, you've probably gone to maybe a hotel and seen what we call intelligent mirrors, right? You see those mirrors with certain things engraved on them. It could be the name of the hotel or whatever, I don't know, maybe a message or whatever, or simply maybe circles that are circling the smart press button on the mirror. But you know that those are actually designed by a particular machine. So I am talking here of the laser mirror engraving machine. Yes, they are used only on mirrors or on glass. You could engrave whatever you want. It could be a message or a logo, whatever you want to do. This machine does it for you. And you know how much people like to personalize or customize things nowadays. And mirrors or glasses are not an exception. So this is something that if you invest your money in, you are going to be making a lot of money. You just need to go closer to hotels or closer to Airbnb owners and let them know that you can do that work for them. You could as well open your own workshop where you actually engrave beautiful things and designs on mirrors and glasses and get customers to buy them ready-made or get them customized to their taste. Do you know that there is a machine out there that is so lucrative nowadays, especially in Africa? Yes, I am talking about the wood, spoon and fork production machine. This machine prints millions in Africa right now. You remember back in the days, a wooden spoon was used maybe to stir food in a pot or model cocktails. Now the story is different. Now wooden spoons and forks have gotten to another level. Restaurants now would serve you food with wooden spoons and wooden forks, and people love it. People love its simplicity and its originality. Now, in some restaurants and fast food joints, people are served noodles and salads with wooden spoons because of their firm grip. That goes same with wooden plates and bowls. A lot of restaurants now do serve people on wooden plates because people just love the originality and the image it portrays of Africa. And since we are talking about spoons and forks, let's go to something edible. Yes, we are going to be talking next about the chicken grilling machine. Yes, this is not something quite new, but it has been actually innovated and ameliorated to the most. These machines are designed in a way that they grill your chicken uniformly, no matter the sizes nor the amount you put in them. Now, this machine comes in various models and sizes and could take up to 30 units of chicken and more, depending on the capacity, and grill them uniformly in a maximum of an hour, which is great for someone who is doing business, right? So if you're a smart goal getter out there, this is something that you would love to invest your money in, right? You know how much people love and consume chicken, especially grilled chicken. So this is something that you could make a lot of money with if you can just open your chicken joints in traffic filled places or in front of snacks or bars, and you know how it goes. Beer goes with something pepperish, as we say here in Cameroon. So there's no way you can invest in such a machine and not make a good return on investment. Another thing that you could do as well, so if you know these people who sell chicken or who grill chicken in mass quantity, this machine is suitable for them. What we commonly call, for example, in Cameroon, rotisseries, right? So you can go closer to rotisseries and let them know that you've got these machines available for them, and they are definitely going to be buying from you if your prices are good. So goal getters, here you've got 10 machines that you could make a lot of money with them in Africa before a lot of people. So if you are smart, do well to rush and invest in any of these machines before it's too late for you. Now, if you loved this video, like the video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Which of these machine ideas appeals more to you and that you would love to invest your money in? And you know, you could as well always reach out to us through our email for more information on anything you would love to know, and we will always be ready to help. That said, thanks for watching this video, as I'll see you in my next one.
I'm gonna let you go, gonna let you turn and walk away. I know how this goes.